Hey everyone. So today we will going to study object-oriented programming in less than a minute. Yes, I will be going to teach you the most basic concept of object-oriented programming in less than a minute. So let's start it. Let's get started. First, we are going to discuss about classes. Yes, what is a class? What do you think of a class? Class acts as a blueprint in object-oriented programming. It defines a type and it includes the attributes of a particular type, like our data, and also it includes the methods which we call as a function in object-oriented programming. So class acts as a blueprint, it defines a type and it includes attributes of our data, and it also has methods which are called as functions. So let us design a class called as dog. Yes, we are going to design a class dog, and to define a class called dog in Python, we are going to write this code def init, and then we will pass self, name, and age as the parameters. Then self.name is equal to name and self.age is equal to age. Then we will define the functions of this class, the methods of this class as def, which is a keyword, and the name of the function is bark. Yes, every dog can bark. So we will pass self as a parameter to this bark function, and this function will do what? It will print the barking sound of the dog, that is woof. So this here in this code we have designed a class, and it includes the attributes as the name and the age of the dog, and also it includes the function of barking, as every dog can bark. So you can see here we have designed the skeleton of the dog, but we don't know how this dog will look, what will be the properties or attributes, what will be the value. So to give the value to these attributes and to execute this function, we have to create the instance of this class. So we are going to create now the object of this class. So here, this is the Python code to write the object of this class, and like this, my dog is equal to dog, and then we have passed the name of the dog as Buddy, and we have passed the age of the dog as 3. And then we have called the function of the dog as my dog, that's bark. So this dog has been created from the skeleton of the dog. The name of this dog is Buddy, and the age of this dog is 3 years old. So we can create an instance of this class and we get an object. So this is how the concept of class and object, we can create many dogs with this dog.